Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, that is name two cranial sutures and their location. Friends, this question from Unit 3A friends. What is our question friends? Once again, name two cranial sutures and their location. Friends, you know friends, cranium is a part of the skull. It is also called as brain box. This cranium is made up of some bones. In between these bones there are rigid joints friends. Those rigid joints are called as sutures. Friends, మనందరికీ తెలుసు మన స్కల్ లోపల క్రేనియం అనే ఒక భాగం ఉంటుంది. దీన్ని మనం బ్రెయిన్ బాక్స్ అంటాం. ఈ క్రేనియం అనేది కొన్ని ఎముకల కలయిక వల్ల ఏర్పడుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, ఈ ఎముకల మధ్య గల బంధాన్ని ఏమంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్? కీలును ఏమంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్? మనం సూచర్స్ అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ ఎముకల మధ్య గల బంధాన్ని ఏమంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్? మనం జాయింట్ అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ క్రేనియం అనేది మనకి 8 ఎముకల కలయిక వల్ల ఏర్పడుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ దే? దే ఆర్ parietal, ethmoid, sphenoid, temporal, occipital and frontal. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, 6 ఎముకలు కానీ టోటల్ 8 ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టోటల్ 8 bones but type 6 only friends. These bones, in between these bones there is a joint. Those joints, rigid joints, immobile joints of the skull or of the cranium are called as what friends? Sutures. Friends, these are immobile joints, these are rigid joints, these are called as what friends? Synarthrosis. Friends, synarthrosis, very very important. Now we come to our question friends. Once again, name two cranial sutures and their location friends. See friends, a rigid joint between two bones is called as sutures. A rigid joint between two bones is called as suture. These are immobile or fixed friends. These are immobile or fixed joints. You may call them as synarthrosis. This is for MSET and NEET friends. These are immobile or fixed joints. They are also called as synarthrosis friends. Synarthrosis. Next, another NEET question friends. NEET point. These are made up of dense irregular connective tissue. These composed of dense irregular connective tissue. Okay friends, once again, a rigid joint between two bones is called as suture. It is immobile or fixed joint. These immobile or fixed joints are called as synarthrosis friends. Okay, these joints are composed of or made up of dense irregular connective tissue. Now you have to write two cranial sutures friends. But here I have given 3 sutures friends. You have to write any 2. One is sagittal sutures, second one is coronal sutures, third one is lambdoid sutures. Once again friends, sagittal sutures, coronal sutures, lambdoid sutures. First you write these 3 friends. Once again, sagittal sutures, coronal sutures and lambdoid sutures. Now you write their position friends. You have to write their position friends. Sagittal sutures, or it is a suture present between two parietal bones of the cranium friends. It is present between two parietal bones of the cranium. Here you have to remember the common bone is parietal bones friends. So sagittal suture is present between two parietal bones of the cranium. Coronal suture is present between parietal bones and frontal bones friends. It is present at the anterior end of this cranium. And lambdoid suture, it is present between parietal and occipital bones friends. Once again friends, sagittal suture, coronal suture and lambdoid suture. Coronal suture present between parietal bones, in between two parietal bones. Sorry, sagittal suture, friends. Next, coronal suture present between parietal and frontal bones, whereas lambdoid suture present between parietal and occipital bones. Okay, friends. Now you see, friends, that image you will get an idea. See, friends. So these are frontal bones, friends. This is parietal bones. This is coronal suture, friends. Now these two are parietal bones. This is sagittal suture. This is parietal bones. This is occipital bone. This is lambdoid suture. Friends, this is lambdoid suture. This is sagittal suture. This is coronal suture. Coronal suture present between whom, friends? Parietal and frontal. Sagittal suture present between two parietal bones. Lambdoid suture present between parietal and occipital bone. One more image you have to see, friends. See, friends, this is lambdoid suture, sagittal suture and coronal suture. Lambdoid suture present between whom, friends? Parietal and frontal. Sagittal suture present between two parietal. Coronal suture present between parietal and occipital. Okay, friends. This is about cranial sutures, friends. Once again you see how many sutures we are discussing, friends? 3 sutures: sagittal suture, coronal suture, lambdoid suture. Sagittal suture between two parietal bones. Coronal suture between parietal and frontal bones. Lambdoid suture between parietal and occipital bones. Okay, friends. Thank you. Good day.